Hello, I'm Dima from Integrator channel, and in this video we will proceed with design patterns, and it will be the first structural design pattern, and the name is adapter. So let's go and let's imagine the simplest example of the adapter. Let's say you have a front-end application and a backend, and you fetch some data, and you receive something like let's type it here, something like first name, and in your front-end application you would like to use it like first name in another way, and you can do it only once in the adapter and save it in your store and then use in all the application instead of like converting it everywhere, and if something will change on the backend you need to update it only once instead of going in through your application and change it everywhere. So another example that we will touch today will be the logger. So let's imagine you have some class like old logger, and it has one method, so log message. It will take a message, and yeah, it will just show this message with some prefix like old plus message to the console. So you've been using it everywhere, and then you decided to switch to a new logger. So the one option is just to rewrite your logic, but if you want to keep it, you can create an adapter. So let's create a new one, class new logger, and it will have another API, so just log method. So you can see that the method name is different in this case. It will also put the message in the console, but let's say with some new logic, like it will say new and will take the message as well. So now you need to create a adapter class. So class like logger adapter. What it will do, so it will have a constructor that will take an instance of our new logger, like it will store it to the local property. This logger will be the logger that we will pass to it, and then we will have a method which is equal to our old implementation like log message. So we will use something like this, yeah, but we will actually have the new implementation. So we will use this, our new logger, and the method from it, so like log and message. So here it is. So let's say old usage was something like const logger new old logger, and then we were able to execute the method like log message was an old API, and let's say new date get time, something like this. Let's try it. Yeah, so it was working with an old prefix here, and let's say we export this logger, and now we can do something similar. So we can create like a logger, but instead const new logger. So we create a new logger, let's say logger new logger instance. Yes, now we pass it to logger adapter, like logger new logger adapter, and we should pass this new logger, and we can export now this new logger. So, and in this new logger we have an old function, old method log message, and it should work fine as well. Yeah, and now it works as well with an old API with a log message as in old logger, but with a new logic, new prefixed with new. So that's it, a quick and working example of the adapter design pattern. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.